Good morning, students. Today I will teach you exercise first D, and this exercise is related to word problems. That means language questions will be there and you have to solve according to that. So, the first question is Ajay cut a 19 3 by 5 meter long rope into two pieces of length 3 1 by 4 meter and 8 1 by 2 meter. Find the length of the remaining rope. So, in the question, Ajay cut a 19 3 by 5 meter long rope. So, what is the total length of the rope? 19 3 by 5 meter into two pieces. So, he cut this rope into two pieces, and the first piece, the length of first piece was 3 1 by 4 meter and the length of second piece was 8 1 by 2 meter. So, the total length of the rope is given. The first, from that total rope, the first length is given and the second length is given. And what is asked? Find the length of the remaining rope. That how many rope is left. So, how you will solve this? Just see, total length of the rope is given 19 3 by 5 meter. So, it is given in mixed fraction. As I told you that how to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. So, 5 multiply 9, 95, and what you will add plus 3 you will get 98 upon 5 meter. And the first length of the rope is given 3 1 by 4 meter. Just convert it into improper fraction. 4 multiply 3, 12, plus 1, 13 by 4 meter. And the second length is given 8 1 by 2 meter. 8 multiply 2, 16, plus 1, 17 by 2 meter. So, the length of the remaining rope be x, because we don't know that how much rope is left. So, as you know very well, if I will add that the length of first rope, the length of second rope as well as the length of remaining rope, what I will get? I will get the length of the total rope. Okay. For example, x plus 13 by 4 plus 17 by 2, and these three combines. If we will add these three length of rope, what we will get? 98 upon 5 meter. What is this? Total length of the rope. So, as we have to find the remaining rope which we have considered x, so we will keep it aside. So, 98 upon 5. Then these two values 13 by 4 and 17 by 2, these both are positive. So, when we will shift LHS to RHS, the sign gets changed. 13 by 4 meter is positive sign, so it will become negative sign, as well as 17 by 2 is positive sign, so it will become negative sign. Now, the next step is 5, 4, 2. The denominators are different. So, what you will do? You will take the LCM of 5, 4 and 2. So, what will be the LCM of 5, 4 and 2? 20. You can find, just see 5, 4 and 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Again 2 1s are 2. Then 5 1s are 5. So, 2 2s are 4. 4 multiply 5, 20. So, what is the LCM? 20. So, 5 multiply 4, 20. So, 98 multiply 4, you will get 392. Then 4 multiply 5, 20. So, 13 multiply by 5, you will get 65. Same 2 multiply 10, 20. So, 17 multiply 10, you will get 170. Now, just see, 392 is positive, whereas 65 and 170 is negative. Yes, so you will add both these values, 65 and 170. What you will get? 235. And which sign will be there? Negative sign. Why? Because these two values are negative upon 20. So now subtract 235 from 392. What you will get? 157 upon 20. Now it's your wish, you can convert it into mixed fraction or you can leave it as it is. But just try to convert it into mixed fraction. As you know very well that how to convert it into mixed fraction. Now the next question is, a bag contains 3 1 by 5 kg of apples. So one bag is there. How many apples are there? 3 whole 1 upon 5 kg apples, 6 whole 1 by 2 kg of orange, 7 whole 3 by 10 kg of grapes, and some mangoes. Just see in the question, the apples are specified, orange are specified, grapes are specified, but mangoes are not specified. If the total weight of the fruits is 25 1 by 10 kg, just see total weight, it is same as first question only. The total weight of fruits are given, apples, orange, grapes as well as mangoes. Find the weight of the mangoes in the pack. So what you have to find? You have to find the weight of the mangoes. So let the weight of the mangoes be X. As you know very well, if you will add all these fruits, apples, orange, grapes as well as mangoes, and what are mangoes? X. What you will get? The total weight of the fruits, that is 25 whole 1 by 10. Just see. So just convert it into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus 1, 16 upon 5, then plus 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 2, then 10 7s are 70 plus 3, 73 by 10, plus x equals 25 multiply 10, 250 plus 1, 251 upon 10. Now what is x? The weight of the mangoes you have to find. So x equals 251 upon 10. It will remain same only. Yes or no? Then as these three digits, these three numbers are positive. So when you will shift LHS into RHS, the sign will change. So these are positive digits, it will become negative. Minus 16 by 5, as 13 by 2 will transfer, it will get minus 13 by 2, plus 73 upon 10, it will get minus 73 upon 10. Now you can see, just see the denominators are different. So what will be the LCM? 10. Then 10 multiply 1, so 251 multiply 1, you will get 251. Then 5 multiply 2, 10, so 16 multiply 2, 32. Then 2 multiply 5, 10, 13 multiply by 5, 65. Then 10 multiply 1, 10, so 73 multiply 1, 73. As you can see, 32, 65 and 73. 32, 65 and 73 are negative, while 251 is positive. Because what you have to see? Before sign you have to see. Before digit, whatever sign is there, that will be the sign of the digit. For example, minus 32. Which sign is this? Negative sign. Just add all the negative digits. So 251 minus, if you will add 32, 65 and 73, all the negative numbers if you will add, what you will get? Minus 170. Now subtract 170 from 251, what you will get? 81 upon 10. Or you can convert it into improper fraction, you will get 8 whole 1 upon 10. How you can convert? Just see. 10 8s are 80. So what is remained? Remainder 1. So 8 whole 1 upon 10. So what is the weight of mangoes? You can write weight equals 81 upon 10. Okay. Now just see the next question. Find the cost of 6 whole 1 upon 5 meter of cloth at the rate of 30 whole 1 upon 2 per meter. So you have to find the cost of what? 6 whole 1 upon 1 by 5 meter of cloth. You have to find the cost of this much meter of cloth when what? The rate of rupees 30 whole 1 by 2 per meter. That means the cost of 1 meter cloth is rupees 30 whole 1 upon 2. So what you have to find? The cost of 6 whole 1 upon 5 meter. So more than 1 you have to find. When you are finding anything more than 1, what you have to do? You have to do multiply. So you can convert it into improper fraction. 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31 upon 5 meter. As well as this 30 multiplied to 60 plus 1, 61 upon 2. Multiply with what? You will multiply it. 31 upon 5. because the cost of 1 meter of cloth is given 61 by 2 meter and you have to find 31 upon 5 meter cloth cost. So 61 upon 2 multiply 31 upon 5. Now just multiply 61 multiply 31, you will get 1891. 5 multiply to 10. Convert it into improper mixed fraction because it is already given in improper fraction. So 10 ones are 10, 8, 10 8s are 80, 9, 10 9s are 90. So what you got? 189 whole 1 upon 10. So what is the cost of 31 upon 5 meter of cloth? Rupees 189 whole 1 upon 10 meter. Now just see the next question. The speed of a car is 60 whole 1 upon 2 kilometer per hour, or if you will convert this speed into improper fraction, 60 multiplied to 120 plus 121 upon 2 kilometer per hour. Find the distance covered in 4 whole 1 upon 5 hours. If you will convert, just see. Speed is given. What you have to find? Distance. And what is given? This time. Speed is given, time is given. What you have to find? Distance you have to find. So speed of the car is given 121 upon 2 kilometer per hour. Time is given 4 whole 1 upon 5 hours. That means 5 multiply 4, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 5 hours. So as you know the formula, distance equals speed into time, or speed equals distance upon time. So distance, what will be the formula of distance? You will multiply speed into time. Now the speed is given 121 upon 2 kilometer per hour and the time is given 21 upon 5. Just see, kilometer per hour means this into what is given? This time. So R and R both will get cancelled. Yes. Now as there is nothing to be cut, so 121 multiply 21, you will get 2541, and 5 multiply 2, you will get 10. You can convert it into improper fraction, 254 whole 1 upon 10 kilometer. So what is the distance of the car? 254 whole 1 upon 10 kilometer. Thank you.